Okay, so now let's learn about line. And you're going to learn about line first by reading it, then by looking at all different kinds of line types, and then learning about line variety. Then you're going to create a line design using variety, okay? Now, in order to learn how to create these lines and change the weights and change the colors, you're going to watch that basic demonstration video that is at the beginning of this slide presentation, okay? Once you have that done, then you should be able to manipulate these elements super easy. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to try to create a line design that has variety. And I'm just going to change the weight or the outline or border, I should say, of the different lines. I'm going to create some geometric lines like the straight lines and some organic lines like this one that I just drew. Okay, and I'm going to change the colors. And I'm just going to draw all different kinds of lines. Lines, 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 lines. And next we're going to create repeated line designs. Okay, so you're just going to click on the corner and drag to each of the dots that are along the diagonal line. Start in the bottom left hand corner and just click and drag. Oops. And then you can go ahead and do it the other direction to the opposite corner. So we're going from those dots in the center on that diagonal line and going from that to the upper right hand corner. And when you've gone about, I don't know, a third of the way down, switch sides. If you're really smart, you can do them all at the same time. You can just go click, click, go to the other side, but you can do it this way too. There you go, like that. And then you're just going to double click to make it stop. So click, click, and right over to the other side. It's all one line that way. And somebody let me know that I missed one. So you guys can do that for me. Make sure you get them all filled in. That would be great. But I don't need to do it because this is your assignment. Okay, so now we're going to create another repeated line design. How cool are these? This makes it look like the page is actually folded, like you're getting ready to create a paper airplane. And once you get one done, you can just hold down the Option or the Alt key and just click and drag to duplicate. And again, that is in the basic tools video. So you make sure you want to watch that first, okay? Next, you're going to write about what the effect was of the repeated lines on the previous slide. I kind of already gave you the answer, but you can come up with a couple different things that you think for that. And then you create your own line design in that space. Okay, try to make it look cool, like a optical illusion. One of the best ways to create an optical illusion is to create a repeated design, okay? So I created this cool organic curved line, and then I'm just going to click and hold down the Alt key or Option key and just click and drag it, and look what happens. Does that look cool? Then you're going to do a motion of line, okay? Create some cool emotion of line designs. And I have a really cool video on YouTube that you can watch first. But this one is nervous. It's like somebody's nervous and they're creating scribbles everywhere, right? And take a minute and go look at that other video. I'm going to paste the link in the bottom of this slide for you guys, okay? And then you're going to look at this Pablo Picasso etching, and you're going to describe the different line types that you see in the artwork. And you're going to type your answer right where it says type your answer here. And then once you complete that, you're just going to fill out your rubric, decide how you think you did on the assignment, and return it to your teacher for a grade. Hope you guys had fun with this.